Good morning, everyone. I hope you had a wonderful spring break, and I'm so excited to get back to a schedule and back to a routine, and most importantly, back to learning with all of you. I was so excited to see some of you on Zoom yesterday and hear about your spring breaks. You had classmates that got to go to some really cool places. Wade and his family went to City of Rocks in Alamo, Idaho, and as you can see, that is a really big rock, but you can climb all over them. Yesterday in our Zoom meeting, Wade was talking about the Mustache Rock. If you look where Wade is in almost the center, go right to the left, and it kind of does look like a mustache in this picture when we can see it a little clearer. Costin went with his family out west to Devil's Playground. Devil's Playground, where Costin visited, looks really similar to City of Rocks, which is where Wade went, but Devil's Playground is actually in Box Elder County. Travin went fishing at Locomotive Springs. He also went to the Spiral Jetty, which is on the Great Salt Lake. There are a lot of really cool things to see just a short drive away. If you need to get out of your house, ask your parents to take you to one of these places. If you didn't get to go somewhere over spring break and you stayed home, that is wonderful because guess what? You can make memories at home too. Sometimes the best memories happen within the walls of our own homes. So a few things. First, I created a new module, and those of you on the Zoom call, I already told you about this, but on your modules, there's one at the top that it says Zoom meeting schedule. If you click on that module, you will see a schedule for our Zoom meetings for this week. We are going to alternate whether our Zoom meeting is in the morning or in the afternoon. On Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Zoom calls will be at 2 for class check-in, and on Tuesday and Thursday, Zoom calls will be at 8:30. So if you're watching this before 8:30 today, 8:30 is when the Zoom call is. And then we are going to have a standard time from 10:30 to 11 where we will work on reading fluency. We're going to do shell fluency and Wishbreakers read aloud. So you will want to make sure you are there for that on Mondays and Wednesdays. On Tuesday, Thursday, we are going to work on a math skill. This week we'll be interpreting remainders and we'll be able to talk. I think we're going to answer some zoo problems, so you'll want to make sure you join. And on Friday, we're going to do a multiplication game. So please join us for those Zoom calls. You can join all of them. You can join some of them. You can join them when you want, leave when you want. This is a great time to ask questions about schoolwork as well. Now, some of you have missing assignments, and one thing I noticed is that a lot of you were missing 6-minute podcasts. So when you write your predictions, make sure you are clicking submit. As of today, which is Monday, April 6th, I have excused you from any 6-minute podcasts that you were missing. But from now on, you need to make sure you are writing those predictions down. So our learning schedule for this month of April is going to look a little bit different than it did before spring break. On Monday and Wednesday, we're going to have a heavy emphasis on math, but still make sure you are getting your reading done. You should be reading every single day. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, that's when we'll be doing a lot more language arts. Today, you're going to be doing a digital read work story, but after today, every Tuesday and Thursday, until we come back to school, hopefully in May, you will be reading whole. So hopefully you got that picked up. A lot of you have been spending time on Prodigy, and I love it. Prodigy is a great way to practice your math skills, and you get to challenge each other if you're on at the same time. And we have someone in our class who has leveled up a lot, and they actually gave up a leveling up trick during our Zoom meeting yesterday, and they were challenged by one of their classmates. If you want to get on Prodigy and you don't know your login, check your inbox on Canvas. I sent those out, but if you can't find it, have your parents send me a message or send me a message on Canvas and I will send it right back to you so you can join in on the fun. Now, I don't have any eggs to smash on my head today, sadly, because that was kind of fun and it was actually pretty funny. I laugh really hard every time I watch the video, but I do want to leave you with one last thing to think about. What about doing a virtual talent show? Can you think of a talent that you could perform, whether it's pencil drumming, or maybe it is playing the piano, maybe it's playing the guitar, maybe it is building a game on a device, maybe it's something with Minecraft, or maybe it's dribbling a basketball. It could be literally anything that could be videoed. And then I will put all the videos together and you will be able to watch your classmates' talents. Let me know what you think, or be thinking up a talent you might want to share. Or 2 or 3. You can share however many talents you would like. If you have any questions, any questions, please reach out to me. Have your parents send me a message. We can set up a phone call, we can set up a FaceTime, a Zoom call, a Google Duo, anything. I just want to talk to you, I want to help you, and I want to make this learning the best possible experience that we can, even though we don't get to see each other. I miss you guys, but I hope you work hard today, and I will see you either at Zoom or morning messages tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.